How you going, legends? Lucky people part 4. That's what we're dealing with here. This fella is thinking, wait, how do I exist? I'm unsure how I exist after that. Technically, I should not exist. In the end, he accepts that some days you get unexplainably lucky, and he goes to check on the other wankers involved in the accident. What's happening in this video? Drunk Sheilas! Enough said. Bugger me. Exercise. As a parent, it's hard to come by. Taking the baby for a walk is one way to do it. Just look out for dodgy fucking trees. Reverse. I reckon reverse. Yep, she's reversing. Hiking without a baby, that's also good exercise. This is lovely. I'm relaxed and in touch with nature. Watching these people be relaxed and in touch with nature. Like having a cheat code. Bloody look out for nature. Too much. That was too much nature. That was a whole chunk of mountain. It's like the mountain was flicking off a piece of dead skin. This is why you don't go outdoors anymore, ever. Too much falling nature these days. Meanwhile, over at the pole vault, why is he about to be a lucky person? I'll show ya! His dick, because of his dick. He almost lost a dick, and that is quite a big deal. He knows it too. Let's watch a replay of this one. Oh, I'm about to pass out. I don't want to think about it. This does not look like an accident waiting to happen at all, does it? A guy standing close to a crane, an awesome car close to a crane. Yep, oh, there it goes. Oh, nobody move. Don't overthink it. Just wait it out. However many weeks it takes to stop swinging, wait. The thing about luck is acknowledging when you're lucky and not fucking with it. He's fucking with it. The fence has been sacrificed. I don't know how I feel about that. Fences have feelings too. Falling pole! It's like construction falls down as much as nature at this moment in history. If nature isn't crushing bastards, bloody construction is. Oh, look out! I spy with my little eye something beginning with H. A head. This lucky bloke still has a head. He has all his parts by the looks. You gotta be happy about that. Your car's fucked. But without a head, it's extra hard to function in society. I don't know any headless people. This is a classic wholesome luck story. This bloke won a $30,000 car on a scratchy. The news wanted to do a story on it, so they asked him to buy another scratchy and act out the win.
And even more good luck when we asked Bill to reenact buying his scratchy ticket.
I just won 250,000. I'm not joking.
You're not, are you? Really?
I just won 250,000.
So, a car on the first scratchy, 250 G's on the next one, caught on camera.
Oh, please don't kill me.
You have to.
Anyway, luckiness can be summed up in one video. On the surface, you'll never see it. Below the surface, it's bubbling away, and you'll never know it's there until the moment it arrives. Good luck or bad luck, luck is the biggest cheeky wanker on the planet. If you're feeling lucky, hit the like button and follow me on the Facebook. Leave a comment too, that's always nice. Cheers, see ya.